God wants you to be wealthy, and this is why. What's going on, family? It's your man, DeAndre Saxon, aka Miami Patron, back for another video. This is the #1 channel for those of you that want to manifest your dream life. Use the law of attraction to go out there and change your health, your wealth, get spiritually aligned. And that's what we're about. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and let's hop into it. So as you guys see right now, I'm right here in Miami. I'm in Wynwood at my man Kiko's tattoo shop. I've known Kiko for how many years now? Almost 2 years, right?
4 years, man.
No, how long have we known each other? 2 years, right?
2 years.
So 2 years. So he actually did this tattoo back when I first moved to Miami. And guys, he's one of the best artists here in Miami. I would say in a while. I don't trust anybody else to do my tattoos rather than Kiko. So Kiko's gonna be tatting me up here. But I had this inspiration to make this video for you. And it's been on my mind. I was speaking to my pastor this week about, should I even make this video, right? And here's something that's important. God wants you to be wealthy. Now, some of you might be questioning that, like, what does that actually mean? You see, you have to understand how money works. For 5 years, I struggled in business. For 5 years. You see, I got started in network marketing when I was 19 years old. And I was trying to figure out success. I wanted the success, right? I wanted the nice things. But my grandparents in society said that for me to be successful, I need to go to school, get good grades, get a good job. You probably know exactly what I'm talking about. Your family might be telling you about these things, right? So I thought that's what I need to do to be successful. But here's what I learned when I got into business, is I didn't understand how money worked. And I don't mean like investments and stuff. I'm talking about the language of money. You see, when I met my mentor, Bob Proctor, he said, DeAndre, money is a language, and if you speak it, it will come. You see, the language is your thoughts. The language is the feelings you put behind it. You see, your dominating thoughts are what attract the things into your life. You see, many people have seen the movie The Secret, talking about law of attraction and all this kind of stuff. Well, you have to understand that whatever thoughts you put out into the universe, you will begin to become. Earl Nightingale says, we become what we think about. We become what we think about. So I didn't think about money. I thought about debt. I thought about lack of money. And guess what? I started attracting it. You see, whether you believe in the law of attraction or not, it's going to continue to work in your life. You see, I always use this saying that, hey, I live on the 28th floor, right, in a building. If you jump off the building, whether you believe in gravity or not, the law of gravity, your ass is going down. You're going down, right? So guess what? The law of attraction works the same way. Whether you decide to use it in your favor and think of thoughts of wealth, of abundance, and prosperity, or you let the outside world, you let the news, your family, and what you see in the physical world, if you let that dictate your results, guys, it's going to be a very hard life. You see, the people that are successful, the people that are the top performers, I'm talking about the LeBron Jameses of the world. I'm talking about the Elon Musk, the business people, that best help, the best people in any industry. They all have one thing in common, is that they understand that they can create their dream life. They can co-create with the universe. They can co-create with God by choosing the thoughts that they want. You see, and that's what I started to understand. And I started to understand that God wanted me to be wealthy. Wealth doesn't just mean finances. Wealth is your health. It's your relationships. It's your spiritual life. Are you wealthy? Are you spiritually aligned? You see, I have friends here in Miami that they're wealthy. They make $3 million a month, but they're not happy. Their businesses and their finances are amazing, but their relationships aren't. They're trying to find a good girl, but they're not on the frequency of that girl that they want, that dream girl. Then they start attracting girls they don't want. Girls that want them for their stuff that they have and not who they are. That's one example of not being wealthy in your relationships. So wealth means all areas of your life. So check this out. How does money work? How does finances work? We can only accumulate wealth and financial gains by servicing other people. You see, Kiko is servicing me right now. He's providing an amazing service. You guys gotta come check out this tattoo. Actually, Jamil, why don't you come around the side over here and show these people the tattoo? So you guys see this right now. Kiko is servicing me. He's providing one of the best services that I've seen in a tattoo artist, right? He's famous, and I'll make sure to tag his stuff in the description below so you can check him out anytime you're in Miami. But guess what? He's servicing me right now. I'm gonna pay him for his service. That's how money works. Money doesn't just come because you think thoughts. Yes, you think thoughts, but you have to provide a service. The more lives you change, the more people you help, the more people you serve, the more wealth will run into your bank account. Napoleon Hill says this: riches doesn't come to the person who works hard. Riches comes to the person whose subconscious mind is so saturated with the idea of money and success, it will attract to them. You attract money. You speak the language by servicing other people. So how does this tie around that God wants you to be wealthy? You see, God says that we have to serve one another. We have to love on one another. We're on this earth, right? We're spiritual beings, and we're here to experience emotion, and we're here to contribute. Why is it that some of the most successful people that are happy, they're contributing? And why is it that when you're doing your best desire, the God-given talent that's within you, that you're contributing? You're creating that art. You're creating those products and services. You see, business is a word that we invented as humans to describe our contribution in the spiritual realm to another person. Your product or service is here to help another person. And the more people you help, the more wealth will come into your life. And when you tap into the spirit that's within you, your relationships will increase. Your spiritual alignment will increase. I'm talking about when you get out of bed, you're excited. Kiko loves this. Look at this art that he's doing. He loves this. He's been doing it for how many years?
25 years.
25 years he's been doing it. He loves it. He's passionate about it. He has 4 shops, right? Four down in
Shops in Rio and Brazil.
yeah. So 3 down in Brazil and then 1 here. He loves it. He's passionate about it. So you have to be passionate and get excited about what you're doing. Man, this looks kind of good, huh? Yeesh. Check that out, guys. We're still working on it a little bit more, but amazing. So guys, get this in your mind. Fix this right now. Pay attention to me. God wants you to be wealthy. Service somebody. Help them. Grow your business. Get out there and do something amazing. Get this in your mind. When you change your mindset, everything around you will begin to change. When I met my mentor, Bob Proctor, and he shared this with me, my life changed overnight. I went from sleeping on my couch, earning almost $500,000 this year, driving my dream car, traveling, going back to Colombia tomorrow. Get this in your mind, and everything will change. I'll see you guys next time. DeAndre Saxton out.